People, in this video we want to look at the causes of twins or multiple pregnancy. What is the cause? Okay, so first thing they are saying is that race. So in blacks it's more, is it? And maternal age. So with around 30 to 35 years of pregnancy, there can be more twins. It reduces after that, after 35. So it is not that it is just that if it is elderly, it will even elderly it will be more of twins. No, it is around 30 to 35 years of age. There can be chances of twins or multiple pregnancies are more. Okay, so you should understand that it is reduces afterwards. The incidence reduces thereafter. Okay, then coming to maternal weight. If she is obese, so basically this is something that is like this: obese, more LH, more ovulation. So the more ovulation, so multiple ovulation, multiple sperms fertilizing, there will be more zygotes. So dizygotic twins, is it? So maternal weight has a effect on twins. Then coming to, did we finish these three? We have finished, isn't it? Hereditary. So maternal side, if there is a twin history, then there can be twins. Okay, maternal hereditary plays a more role here. So everything is being blamed on mother. Okay, as usual. Then coming to parity. If the number of pregnancies she has had, which is carried beyond the viability period, that is 28 weeks could be. So if she, that means to say, let's assume something like this. This is the uterus, right? Parity. She has been carrying children, getting pregnant so many times and carrying children. So if she is pregnant for more than 5 times, the chances of pregnancy of twins are more. Okay, 5th gravida onwards. So greater than 4 you should say. Okay, or greater than or equal to 5 also you can say. So 5th gravida onwards, there can be more chance of multiple pregnancy. Gravida onwards. Okay, onwards. Then iatrogenic, guys, pay attention here. The causes of twins. Or multiple pregnancy. This is what we are looking at. So guys, iatrogenic is like if she is taking any medication to increase the ovulation, right? Like clomiphene citrate, some infertility treatment if they are taking, right? Or if they have had a IVF. So IVF will deposit more number of embryos or zygotes, whatever you want to say. So they will be putting more for a higher chance, right? So you have seen that in Friends with Phoebe. So she would have an IVF, and for a basically surrogacy, she would be a surrogate mother and she will land up with triplets because she's super fertile according to her. Okay guys, so what are the causes of multiple pregnancy? Maternal age, weight, hereditary, black race, more parity, that's 5th gravida onwards, iatrogenic like clomiphene citrate, and IVF. These are the causes of multiple pregnancy. Okay, so in the last video we had looked at what multiple pregnancy is, what is Helen's rule. We have looked at the types of twins: dizygotic twins, monozygotic twins, dichorionic, diamniotic twins, monochorionic, diamniotic twins, monochorionic, monoamniotic twins we have looked at, and we have looked at the placenta and amniotic sacs, right? So now we have looked at the causes of multiple pregnancy. Then we will continue with the maternal complications of multiple pregnancy and fetal complications of multiple pregnancy. We will continue in the next video, people. Bye.